chocolates, Lester. Bad boss, a speed boss. What's the time, is it, Lester?
It's 10 o'clock, boss.
Okay. Now listen. This is the plan. At 11 o'clock, come to the bank with me. Bring the box and the rope.
It's a pretty rough, boss.
Yes. In the bank, put the box and the letter on the desk. Here's the letter. Put the money in the box now. Now the chocolate letter. It's the chocolate. Okay. Okay, let's go. Here, it's 11 o'clock.
Yes, I've got the rope and the box, boss.
Look, Lester has got a rope and the box. Have you got the banana ice cream, Woody?
Yes, I've got the banana ice cream, Chief Captain.
We're ready for you, sir.